Synchronous collections achieve thread safety by using locks. So when a thread gets access to a synchronous collection, the entire collection gets locked and other threads have to wait. This works well for most cases, but it can have a negative impact on the performance and scalability as the number of threads and concurrent operations increase. In those situations, we can use concurrent collections in Java. These classes use the partitioning technique to allow concurrency. So they divide their data into segments, and different threads can concurrently work with different segments, but only one thread at a time can access a given segment. So concurrent collections are faster than synchronized collections because they don't use synchronization. These classes are declared in the java.util.concurrent package. For example, we have concurrent hash map, we have concurrent linked deck, which is a double-ended queue implemented using a linked list. We have concurrent map and so on. So let's take a look at an example. If you want to create a regular hash map, we write map of integer and string. We call it map and set it to a new hash map. This is a regular hash map where our keys are integers and our values are strings. And here we can call map.put to add an entry like 1 and a. We can call map.get to get the value associated with the key. We can call map.remove and so on. Now, this is a regular hash map implementation that is not thread safe. So if it's going to get accessed only by a single thread, it's perfectly fine. But if you want to share this across many different threads, we're going to have problems. Now, to solve this, all we have to do is to replace the hash map with the concurrent hash map. That's all we had to do. Everything else in our code stays the same. Because this map is an interface, and hash map and concurrent hash map are two different implementations of this interface. So by programming against interfaces, we reduce the impact of changes in our applications. We simply substitute one implementation with another. Everything else stays the same. Again, I cannot emphasize the importance of interfaces enough. A lot of developers don't understand interfaces. They think they do, but honestly, they don't. So if you want to have a better understanding of interfaces and their power, watch the second part of this series. It will change how you think about building software.